Hello everyone and welcome to the United States English channel where we learn English slowly, clearly and in a very easy way for beginners.
Hello, friends. My name is Adam, and I am very happy that you are here today to practice English listening with us.
In today's lesson, we are going to talk about a very simple and very interesting topic that everyone knows.
Yes, Emily, today's topic is talking about hobbies, and this lesson is made especially for A1 English learners.
Please listen carefully to every sentence and do not worry if you do not understand everything the first time.
You can pause the video, repeat the sentences slowly, and listen again whenever you want.
Adam, many people hear the word hobby, but some people do not know the meaning clearly. So, can you explain what a hobby is in very easy English?
Yes, Emily. A hobby is something that we like to do in our free time when we are not working or studying.
So, Adam, does that mean a hobby is something we choose because it makes us feel relaxed and happy?
Yes, that is correct, because people do hobbies for fun, not for money or work.
Can children, adults, and old people all have hobbies in their daily life?
Yes, Emily. People of all ages can have hobbies, and hobbies are good for everyone.
Why do you think hobbies are important in life?
I think hobbies are important because they help us feel calm, happy, and less stressed after a long day.
Adam, now I want to ask you about your personal life. So, can you tell us what your hobby is?
Yes, Emily. My hobby is reading, and I really enjoy reading simple and easy English books every day.
That sounds very good. But can you tell us when you usually read your books?
I usually read in the morning when my mind is fresh, and sometimes I also read at night before I sleep.
How much time do you spend reading every day, Adam?
I read for about 10 to 15 minutes every day because even a short time is very helpful.
Why do you like reading so much?
I like reading because it helps me learn new words, improve my English, and feel relaxed at the same time.
Adam, do you have another hobby that you like to do when you have free time?
Yes, Emily. My second hobby is walking, and I like to go for a walk in the park near my house.
When do you usually go for a walk, and do you go alone or with someone?
I usually go for a walk in the evening, and sometimes I walk alone, but sometimes I walk with a friend.
Why do you like walking so much?
I like walking because it helps my body stay healthy and my mind stay calm and fresh.
Now, Adam, I would like to talk about my hobbies and share them with our listeners.
Yes, Emily, please tell us about your hobbies in simple English.
My favorite hobby is listening to music, and I like to listen to soft and calm music in the evening.
When do you usually listen to music, and how does it make you feel?
I usually listen to music after dinner, and it makes me feel relaxed and happy after a long day.
Do you have another hobby that you enjoy?
Yes, Adam. I also enjoy cooking simple food at home for myself and my family. Adam, many people around the world have different hobbies. So, can we talk about some common hobbies?
Yes, Emily. Many people like watching television in their free time because it is easy and relaxing.
Some people also enjoy playing games on their phone or computer when they are free.
Yes, and many people enjoy sports like football or cricket, especially on weekends.
Reading books, listening to music, and walking are also very common hobbies.
Adam, how can we ask someone about their hobby in very easy English?
We can ask simple questions like, what is your hobby? Or what do you like to do in your free time?
And how can we answer these questions in a simple way?
We can say, my hobby is reading, or I like listening to music.
Now, friends, please listen carefully to this slow and clear practice. My hobby is reading, and I read simple English books every day to improve my language skills. My hobby is listening to music, and I enjoy listening to soft music in the evening at home.
Today, we talked about hobbies and learned how to talk about them in easy English.
We learned what hobbies are, why hobbies are important, and how to talk about our hobbies.
Everyone has a hobby, and hobbies make life more interesting and happy.
Please write in the comments and tell us what your hobby is.
Thank you very much for listening and practicing English with us today.
See you again on the United States English channel, where English learning is easy and fun.